It was a time when we saw the real promise of America. A time when a democratic vision and a democratic agenda led us through 8 years of peace, prosperity, and the strongest economy in America's history. Until something went wrong. Promises were broken. Jobs were lost. Schools were underfunded. Health care costs rose. So did the number of Americans without insurance. Spending and deficits spiraled out of control. The world became less safe. And for millions of families and communities, the promise of America was suddenly gone. Now, the battle begins to restore the promise of America in a new era of fiscal responsibility. A democratic plan that will get our economy moving again, create jobs, provide affordable, high-quality health care, win the war on terror. A plan to strengthen families and communities, restoring the promise of America once again. To help restore the promise of America, visit www.newdem.org.